Hello, good morning Vlogmas day. I don't know what day it is, I always have to look. Day 10. I just woke up, so I'm in my PJs still. My friend is coming over today at some point, but so I wanted to put on makeup and do my dishes before they come over. So we'll see if that happens. The main goal is the dishes need to get done before they come over. The makeup isn't as important, but the dishes do need to get done. Let's open up Vlogmas day. No, 10. Not 11. Here's 10s. Just put this down here. Great wrapping job. Like, there's so much tape. Do you think the tape's gonna hold on it? No. No, it's gonna stick to the thing. Not completely. So, Vlogmas Day 10 is the Hard Candy Long Wear Setting Spray. Exciting times. So it's a little while later, and I've done my dishes now. I've got my room cleaned. All I need to do is get dressed. I was gonna put makeup on, but I just don't feel like it. My friend's gonna be here soon, and we've ordered food, Route 42, so I'm super excited about that. I just have to dress because he's gonna be here in like 20 minutes or so, and I need to get dressed. I did my dishes, so that's the main thing. I cleaned my room a little bit too because it's a disaster, and haven't packed for anything for going home, so that's gonna just be fabulous. It is much later now. I have showered. My friend has gone home. We had a little kerfuffle with trying to get in the building just because he forgot his ID. So luckily they let us in, but he had to like leave his debit card and like take a photocopy of his health card just so they knew what he looks like for photo ID and stuff. So I was really glad they let us in because I did not want to have an hour bus ride back to his place. I was super excited about that. And the food was really good. I ended up getting a cotton candy milkshake, which I love them from that place. They are so good. Tasty. And then we ended up watching shows, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, and then My Brother and Me, which were really funny. Liked both of them. And I've been packing a little bit, showered, and I'm going to go to bed because I am super tired. But I think I'm going to combine today's vlog and tomorrow's vlog because it's me going home. So I feel like there's not going to be a ton of me to edit and stuff. So yeah, trying to get it so that the lights better. I'll talk to you guys later. Good morning, Vlogmas. Day 11. Oh my god, we're already on day 11. That is crazy to me. Oh my gosh. I go home today. Like I said in the previous clip, I think I'm gonna end up combining yesterday's and today's vlog. Alright, not the previous clip. Yeah, probably was the previous clip actually. I just woke up. I packed a whole bunch last night. I still have a few things, like things I couldn't pack where it's like, I need my toothbrush, my hairbrush till this morning and stuff like that. And so I've got my outfit that I want to wear today all planned. I will promise I will show you not in my pajamas. I swear I did get dressed yesterday, I just didn't vlog it. So I have it planned. I also have to pack all my clothes. My dad's coming with my suitcases because I have no suitcases to do anything with. So I also have to pack up my computer because I want to bring that home with me. But I have a lot of the little things packed. Like all my bathroom stuff is pretty much packed. Mine's my toothbrush. I have to get the rest of my dirty laundry. I have a couple dishes in the sink I have to wash. But other than that, I'm doing pretty good. And it's just clothes, that's the main thing. I also want to take out the garbage before we leave and recycling. So my roommate doesn't have to do it, even though she's staying a little longer than I am. But like, especially in my room, I don't want to have like gross stuff in my room for the time I'm gone. So yeah, I dad's gonna be here in about 3.5 hours-ish, give or take. So it's like 9 o'clock now. I couldn't sleep. I had a terrible dream last night. Oh my god, let me tell you about it. I dreamed where, let me put my green pillow so I can actually be comfy when I tell this dream. I had a dream last night where me and my best friend had just bought this like creepy old house together, and we were living in it, and then these like strange couple of like older people, like in their like 60s, 70s, come in the house, and they're just thinking they're living there. I'm like, no, get out of my house. And then like one guy hits one of the little like things on the door, that like the door handle bit that like pops out that you open and close the door with. He hit that with his hand and got electrocuted and fell on the floor. And I was like, this is why I told you to get out. And they all start like ganging up on me, and then like I run out to the balcony, like hoping to like escape from them, and then they eventually leave because these other police people thingies come in and break into the house and like take us all away and start like going through the house. And we're like, we literally just moved in, and they're like, we're arresting you for like this and this and this. And I'm like, we literally just moved in, call our realtor, like everything is a disaster, there's boxes everywhere, we literally just moved in this house today. And then they turned out not to be people, but they're like aliens, like monster thingies in human form, which is very strange. But one of them had like a hurt cat, and like I was trying to help her save the hurt cat. I was like, we need to put this cat's got jaundice, his heart rate's really low, his like, we gotta put him on IV fluids. I was like, we need to take blood from him to figure out if he's in liver failure or like what's happening. And I was like, I can't diagnose anything. I can't tell you what this cat has. Just that we should probably do this step will be the next step. Putting him on IV fluids, like for my minimal amount of diagnosing knowledge, which I'm not allowed to diagnose. But it was funny. And then the one guy was like obsessed with this like one like gold thing that had stuff in it, and I was like, yeah, I've seen that in the basement somewhere. And then there's also like in another doorway thingy, like the part of the door, like the thick part of the door, like the not the sides of the door, but like the, I don't know what to call it. Anyways, that part of the door had like a camera in it, and it would like take a shot, like a picture. You could hear it like clicking and snapping, like an old-fashioned like film camera does, like that noise it makes when it takes the photo. So that was kind of weird, and then I woke up to me trying to save this cat. And they had all these like supplies and things, but they were like a little bit weird supplies, like they weren't what I'm used to seeing. But I was like, we need either sodium chloride with 0.9% sodium chloride saline or lactated fingers. I was like, we need something that's gonna cause as isometric, which is something I'm learning in school. Like, oh my god. Glad I know that stuff in a dream, you know. Cool. Anyways, I need to get finished packing and do the rest of the dishes. And yeah, I can't pack any of my frozen stuff until it actually gets here, and they're planning on leaving, just because I have a few things that I want to take back home with me, like a milk has to go back home, because I've got 2 bags of milk, and that won't last, it'll expire before I get back, so I'll just take it back with me, so that I have milk when I go home. I'm taking some of my open things of food, because I don't want to leave those here. If they're closed, it's fine to leave here, but I just don't want to leave things that are open here. So there's that. And clothes, that's the big thing I need to pack. And I need to pack up my sheets, because I want to get them washed when I go home. So I take the sheets off my bed and all that fun stuff. gonna take that home with me. Although I don't think I'm taking that little blue one. I'm taking the broken one back there, which is why I have two fans, because that one stopped working on me. But that one works. That's the broken replacement one. We have fans at home, so I can just use those instead of bringing this little blue one home, because we have one that's basically identical to the little blue one, so I can just use that. And I think we have another bigger fan, so yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go now. Here's a big pile of clothes I need to go in a suitcase that I'm bringing home with me. I also need to take my sheets off the bed, which I have to do after I pack all my clothes and stuff. I have all the dishes packed, or not packed, I have all the dishes washed. And I just need to wait for my dad to get here, which he's gonna be here in half an hour to... Yeah, half an hour, because he got stuck on the 401. Stand still. I put my hat on so I didn't forget my hat, because I wanted to bring it home with me. I have my other two. I have my other one other one I want to bring with me home. But I always take this one on my head. Also, my head was cold, so yeah, killed two birds with one stone. Everything else is pretty much packed. Mine is stuff that's in the fridge and my computer, which I need to start working on my computer now. So yeah, that's the plan for today. So everything else is pretty much packed. So I'm pretty proud of myself. I got everything packed. Let me go and double check the bathroom. My toothbrush is not in there because nope. Okay, good. Packed my toothbrush. Took the razor out of the shower. Got everything out underneath the sink that I want. Got a nice pot. Toilet paper, because I remember my has toilet paper. She ran out and she was like, "Do you mind leaving me some?" She's like, "I don't need toilet paper, do you?" And I was like, "Yeah, I got toilet paper." So I left her some toilet paper. So she has some toilet paper for the rest of the week. And yeah, I need to pack up my garbage too. Take that out at some point. So yeah. I think I'll do my computer, then I'll do the garbage. That's plans, Dan. My dad texted me and he has not moved from the spot an hour ago. So that means he is still 80 kilometers away. Which means it's going to be... He should have been here by now, but he hasn't moved. So I am starving. I didn't eat breakfast because I thought we were going out for lunch. And I was like, I wasn't really hungry when I first woke up. And like, by the time I kind of got hungry, it was like, oh, he's gonna be here in like half an hour. So like, I'll just wait. But now it's like, he's not gonna be here for a really long time. Like whenever the traffic starts moving again. And then also, it's gonna be here 80 kilometers before he gets here. So I'm gonna be hungry. So I'm gonna go make a bagel. Have that. And then have to dirty another dish, which I'm so mad because I just did my dishes. Grr. Frustrating. Grr. Don't have to clean another 2 dishes. Just very sad. Very upset about this. Oh well, I hope everyone's okay though that's in the accident. That's the main thing, if there's an accident, or if it's just construction. Although I feel like if you haven't moved in an hour, it's probably an accident. Hopefully just not construction. I mean, like, construction would be better than an accident, because you don't want anyone to, like, get hurt, but, you know, like, I don't know what's happening. I have no idea. I hope everyone's okay anyways. En route. Halfway home. In Wendy's, half an hour till I can go home. Yay! Almost home, half an hour to go. I made it home. I'm back in my room. I recognize this from my videos or last year's Vlogmas. I'm back home. I have to unpack everything. I want to show you. So I ordered this stuff like a really long time ago from Yes Style back in, when was this shipped? November 8th. And I'm like looking at this package in this type of bag and I was like feeling it. I'm like, what is this? I'm like, I don't know. And then I got it. opened it up and looked at it because it's been so long. I was like, I don't even remember what I got. So I was a little surprised because I got the Snail Bee High Concentrate Essence. I remembered I got this, and I remembered I got this, which is, I didn't remember what kind, but I knew I was ordering these. These are the Pearl Shea Butter, Kelp Shea Butter Hydro Gel eye patches. I knew I ordered some eye patches. I didn't remember what. I remembered I ordered this, and then I also had ordered this little bad boy, which is the Chia Seed Hydrating Lotion. Lotion Hydrate. But then it says Hydrating Emulsion. I think this was $6 or something like that. It was pretty cheap. And then I also got this chapstick, which is a good ceramide, petroleum-free, super ceramide lip oil stick. That's perfect for cracked and drying lips. So I got this little guy, and then I also got a free sample of the Skin Foods Aloe sheet mask, which is really nice because I love me sheet masks. So yeah, it was like free gift, beauty in a food sheet mask, random, one piece. So that was kind of nice that they sent that, and yeah, finally been home to get my order, and I have one of my presents from Amazon that has been sitting on my desk, but I gotta make sure I get rid of hand soaking. I want to make sure it's actually like the right color before I give it to my parents and be like, yeah, here, get this to you for Christmas, because I ordered my own gifts offline because I couldn't figure it out. So she's like, just order stuff and I'll pay you back and I'll wrap it up for you for Christmas. And I'm like, thanks. So I got basically no surprises this year. But that's okay. Because she couldn't figure out how to work the internet. She couldn't figure out how to work Amazon. So I was like, okay, she was like, just order it and then I'll pay back for it. And I'm like, cool, sounds good. So, yeah. Our family Christmas party for my mom's side last week, and my aunt and uncle gave me some things. Was this from? Who is this from? Okay, yeah. So she gave me some stuff in this cute little basket, this little bin thing with cookies, and like there was cookies in the bag, and then it came with these two little like dish rags that are like knitted, and then this really nice bath and shower gel, and then hand cream in white vanilla. Like, you guys know how much I love vanilla. Like, yes, so cute, so stinking cute. I love this. Like, this is so sweet. My mom has little hand rags like these. I think these are like dish rags. I'm not really sure. They're so cute. I love this colorful one. They're really nice. My mom uses these all the time, so I'm really excited to have some too. And then the other things are chocolate covered cashews for my other aunt and uncle. And then here are the chocolate chip cookies, which is very exciting. And I'm pretty sure in this box it has mint smoothies in it. I'm not a huge fan of mint, but it's really sweet. So these will probably get gifted to someone else who likes mint smoothies, because I do not like mint smoothies, but that's okay. And got a bunch of mail. Fun times. To open that up. Bills. Some bills. I've already paid them. They're like just old credit card bills that are from past months, but I pay my credit card bills, so it's okay. But yeah, I have to move the rest of my stuff into my room, and I may have a bath tonight. We shall see. As you can see, I have, well, you can't see, took a bath, I washed my face, changed into my cat onesie, and now I am off to bed. I will talk to you guys later. I'm too tired and don't feel good enough to do my skincare tonight. I washed it, cleansed my face, and slapped on a moisturizer. My hair looks gray. I'm going to go to bed. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.